Today we are going to learn chapter number 6, The Earth and the Sky, part 2. We are going to learn about water. Water is found in the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Can you see in the first picture, children? A picture of earth is given. Okay, and what colors we can see there? White, green and blue. And you know what is the blue part there? That is water. Green is earth, green and white is showing is earth, and the blue part which you can see all over there is water. And water is found in ocean, seas and rivers. So that blue part is ocean, sea and rivers and lakes. Okay, and below two pictures are given. Can you see that? Those are the picture of water bodies, that is seas, and the other one is river. Okay. Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. We breathe in air. Now can you see in the first picture, children? What all things are there? A tree is there, grass and red color flowers is also there. What else we can see? Sky is there, blue sky, and nothing else is there. Okay, can you see air over there? No, but air is there. Air is there all around us, but we are not able to see it. And now look into the second picture. A fan is there, the fan is moving, and the person standing in front of the fan, he can feel the air. Why? Because the air is moving now. Okay, the fan makes the air move and then we can feel the air. Okay, you remember when you feel hot, you switch on the fan and then we feel a little bit cooler than before. So when the air moves, we feel it, and we can only feel air when it moves. And what can you see in the third picture? A girl is doing yoga and she is taking deep breaths. So we breathe in air. Whenever we breathe in, we take the air in, and whenever we breathe out, we take the air out. Now also when I am talking, I am breathing. When you are sitting in front of me, you are talking or you are not talking, but still we are breathing in and breathing out. What? Air. Whenever we breathe in, we take in air inside us, and when we breathe out, we take out air. So children, remember, air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel when it moves. The sky. Look at the sky. You can see the sky in the picture given. You can see the sky out of your window. During the day, we can see the sun. It gives us heat and light. Now as soon as the morning is there, we will find sun outside our window. Yes? So during the day, we can see the sun. And what does the sun do for us? It gives us heat and light. And so it is light during the daytime, and when it is night, the light is not there because the sun is not there. And it is the sun only who gives us light and also heat. Nowadays it is cool. Winter is going on, so it is very cool. And when the sun rises, we feel better. Why? Because it gives us heat also. We can also see clouds in the sky when, children, during the daytime, we are talking about the daytime when the sun is there, and white clouds look like balls of cotton. Dark clouds bring rain. Now can you see in the first picture? Sun is there and white clouds are there. Isn't it looking like cotton balls? Okay, if you have a cotton balls in your home, just have a look and then see this picture. You will feel that it looks like a white cotton balls. And what about the second picture? Now, the white thing in the first picture are clouds. and the black thing in the second picture are again clouds. Okay, but this dark clouds bring rain. In the first picture, the sun is there and the clouds are white in color. That shows that it is not going to rain now. But when the clouds becomes black in color, that shows that it is going to rain now. Okay, so what we learned here? White clouds look like balls of cotton and dark clouds bring rain. And when can you see the clouds in the sky? During the daytime. Why? Because it is light during the daytime. And who gives us light? The sun. And at night, when the sun is not there, we are not able to see the clouds. Sometimes on a rainy day, we can see a rainbow in the sky. Now, rainbow picture is given here, children. Can you see? It is so colorful and it looks very beautiful when it is there on the sky. How many colors are there, children? Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 colors in a rainbow. And can we name the 7 colors? We will name it from inside. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So did you count it, children? It is 7 colors. Let's do it once again. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the colors of a rainbow we can see in the sky during the rainy days. But on every rainy day it is not there. Only sometimes we can see this rainbow in the sky. And during the daytime only, not during the night, because light is not there at night. So we can see this rainbow only during daytime. Now we talk about night. At night, the sky becomes dark. Why it becomes dark? Because the sun is not there. We can see the moon and the stars. Now, as given in the picture, children, we can see moon and stars over there. And they shine in the sky at night. In the morning, we are not able to see them. Only we are able to see them at night. Okay, this is the picture given of a night time of a sky. And what is visible in the sky? A sun is there and so many stars are twinkling there. So what can we see at night? Stars and moon. And the sky becomes dark. Why? Because the sun is not there. So this is all for today, children. Thank you. Now in this picture, can you see, children? Both are given daytime and night time. At half of the picture, sun is there. That shows the daytime. And what are visible? Clouds are there, sun is there. And when the sun is not there, it is night time. And then what can we see? Stars and moon. Okay, and see the clouds. What about the clouds? At the daytime it is seen, but what about at night? It is rarely visible. It is not visible during the night time because sun is not there and it is dark during the night time.